Hi, I'm Rosie and I'm the first LEGO League Challenge Coordinator here at the IET. Session 3 is all about connections. Throughout this session, you will build a driving base, code your robot to move and use colour sensors to follow a line. The team will make connections from the missing models to this session's Project Spark. At the start of this session, think about discovery within your team. Record examples of how your team has learned new skills and ideas. Task 1 should take about 50 minutes and is the Robot Lessons 4. If you're using the Mindstorms EV3, this will be colours and lines. And if you're using the Spike Prime, this will be under Reacting to Lines. You'll code your robot to pick out lines on the mat to help them navigate to different areas. Now, ask your team to think about what attachment could they create for their robot. How would you code an attachment? Have the team pick out a few mission models to highlight and tell stories about. This will allow them to learn about real-world examples and problems the models represent. This session's Project Spark is all about how transporting cargo across different forms of transportation can have great impact on the overall journey. Think about ways to improve connections between forms of transport. For example, mechanisms for sorting goods and devices, unloading and loading cargo, tracking the cargo on its journey and communication with the consumer. Now, it's time for Task 2. Once you've discussed the Project Spark, you'll need to build the connection models in bags 13 and 15 using building instructions for 13 and 15 too. This will be your last session building all the models. Discuss with your team how the Project Spark and models are linked, and draw your solution for a piece of equipment or technology that could improve how different vehicles make connections. Get together with your team and set up the field with the building models. Show how the models operate and discuss how they relate to your Project Spark. Once you've showcased your new robotic skills, reflect and discuss on the following questions. Can you think of any ways to make connections better in different forms of transportation? What different connection points are used for transportation in your community? Okay, I think that's it for session 4. We hope you had a great session. Check out our other Cargo Connect videos on the link below. And if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to get in touch at fllchallenge@theiet.org.